What up, folks? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a value flash that gives you extremely good bang for your buck. Let's get into it. I've been using flashes forever in photography, and it's almost essential in wedding photography to have external flashes. And a lot of these flashes run up in price in $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for an external flash. I really don't see any reason to be spending that much on an external flash when you're using it for just your basics of photography and you don't need all the bells and whistles. So let's talk about the best budget flash on the market right now. And for me, it's without a doubt the Yongnuo series. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Yongnuo YN560 flashes. Now in my hand right now is the YN560 They do have newer models and they have older models, but I'm just gonna talk about the 560 series in general. A lot of these are manual flashes, so you will need to get your settings right and know what you're doing and learn about external flashes and how they work with your camera. Things like high speed sync, TTL, all those sort of really fancy features that come in the higher end flashes, you don't really need them, especially for wedding photography. You're gonna set your flash, you're gonna set your settings, and in a dark, dimly lit reception, the lighting's not gonna change that much. So these Yongnuo flashes, they're reliable, they work really well, and the best part is they're cheap. I got this one for about 60 bucks. You can get a lot of them in that price range. So I like to buy 2, 3, 4 of them and just have them in my bag at all times with backup batteries. And they're just a really high quality flash. They also have sync capabilities where you can link them together. You can have a receiver on your body to do external flashes off body. So they do work and they do have some really cool features. They do have a backlit display and they have a nice button layout. They're really intuitive to use, really nice user interface. Overall, they're pleasant. They're easy to use. There's not much to them. I'm just pleasantly surprised by how much value you're getting out of these for the money. So for me, these are a no-brainer. They are an absolute buy for beginning photographers and experiences alike. Yongnuo YN560 series, I'll provide a link below. I've shot hundreds, if not thousands of weddings with these, and I've had them break on me maybe twice. Sometimes it's for me knocking them over, but I'm constantly throwing them in and out of my bags. I'm not babying these at all, and they have held up. So I highly, highly recommend them. And that's all I got for a cheap budget external flash recommendation. The Yongnuo YN560, a no-brainer. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.